Circle base, this is Hunter. We need to file a complaint over the fact that our air conditioning does not cover these desert conditions. Over. It is currently 52 degrees Celsius in this vehicle. In fact, one of our crew members has just passed out due to heat exhaustion. Over. Thankfully, it was the radio operator, our least useful crew member. This is the commander, by the way. Enemy vehicles have been discovered in our sector. We are engaging now. Fire on my command. Fire! Fire on my command. Fire. We are taking indirect fire, most likely from artillery shells. However, we are backing out. I repeat, we are backing out and relocating. So far, we have suffered no damage. I repeat, no damage has been assessed. However, our radio operator has thankfully woken up. No, correction, he has not woken up. He just talks in his sleep. No, apparently he's just delusional to heat exhaustion. Holy shit! That was a very accurate artillery fire. Circle base, this is Hunter. We are being pummeled by enemy artillery. Where is our counterfire? I repeat, where is our counterfire? Circle base, this is Hunter. It appears we are unable to penetrate enemy armor. Their armor is too thick, at least on the heavy tanks. Circle base, we have taken one indirect hit to our turret. However, damage is minimal. We are still combat effective, except for the fact that our guns can't penetrate. Circle base, we have heard rumors that there's a great ice cream parlor in this town over there. We request permission to go there in order to cool down, since our air conditioning is still broke. Over. So, is that a yes, or do we get any ice cream? Enemy tank destroyer discovered. Engage. Fire. We are taking hits. I repeat, we are taking hit. Circle base, this is Hunter. It appears that our driver was trying to turn down the heat. However, he seems to have turned it up instead. And, well, our vehicle caught fire. Yep. Diese bloody Idioten! I told them to not mess with the air conditioning, but they wouldn't listen. My air conditioning works just fine. In fact, I'm getting kinda cold. Oh my god, what the hell is that? Where is he? Where is he? Come on, oh, there you. Come on here and fight me like a man, you bitch.
Yeah, before you start fighting the dragon, let me remind you, you have your hands bound.